Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and kind of trying out the new Kylie Cosmetics bronzers, blush, and highlighters. So I got a bronzer, I got a blush, I also got some of her new lip products that she just came out with. So I'm just going to do a couple swatches for you guys and try it out on my face. So yeah, so let's get started. So I already have my face makeup done besides my bronzer, blush, and highlight, and my lip color obviously, because that's what we're going to be trying out today. I did my eyes already, everything else is done, just that stuff. So I'll start out with the bronzer, just because that's the order that I do my face. And the bronzers come in black packaging with like reflective lettering that says bronze, so that's really cute. And I got the shade Tequila Tan. So obviously you would get whatever shade you need, a little lighter or darker. So this isn't the lightest shade of bronzer, and it's definitely not the darkest, so there are a lot of options for that. And I'll just swatch this on my finger, and then I'll put it onto my wrist as well. So that is the shade Tequila Tan. Use this and try to bronze up my face and see how it applies. So it does apply really nice. It's kind of similar to the shade of like the Benefit Hoola bronzer for me, like this shade anyway is. So that's really nice because that's one of my favorite bronzers. I'm just going to use some setting powder and just kind of set my contour line here. And I'm just dusting this off. The Kylie bronzers are $18 each, and the hardest part about ordering bronzers online is not knowing what shade to get because you can't actually see it in front of you. That's the only hard part about it, but it is a bronzer, so you can always use a little bit more or a little bit less if you have to. Definitely like these if you are looking for a good bronzer. Definitely recommend. They're really good and they're really blendable, which is nice because I don't like when my bronzer looks too harsh, so I really like these. I'm going to try out the blush shade. Kylie came out with a bunch of blushes, and I got this one, which is Baddie on the Block. It comes in the same packaging as the bronzer, and it looks like this. It's a really nice pink shade, and I'm just going to swatch this one again for you guys. So this is how it looks on my finger. It's almost like a corally shade, and it's kind of sheer, like it's not super pigmented like you expect like an eyeshadow to be. So that's good because you can build it up. Like I did one swatch, and then so that's 2 swatches of this blush. So that's really great because the first swatch was more sheer and like was a little bit lighter and more sheer, which I like because again, you don't want to have like barely tap your brush and like pink. So it's really great that you can just easily build it up to. I'm going to apply this. That's a really pretty shade. So definitely a really pretty shade of blush. And again, this is the same price as the bronzer, so $18. And the other really thing that I've been loving with Kylie's new little compacts are the mirrors. They are super helpful, and I really like those. I really like that feature. And then next, I got 3 of the Kylighters. I believe she came out with 6 or 7 of them. But I got the 3 that I liked the best. And again, same packaging as the blush and the bronzer. It just says Kylight on the front. So I got the shades Ice Me Out, Cheers Darling, and Queen Drip. And these are $20 each, so they're $2 more than the bronzers and blush. I'll start out with the shade Ice Me Out. It's more of a whiter highlight. So that looks really pretty. And if you guys haven't seen my videos before, I'm a huge fan of the Kylie highlighters. I think they're some of the best ones out there. So yeah, her loose powder highlights and her pressed powder highlights are really great. And I think this might be a new formula, so super excited to try this out. So I'll start out with a swatch. Ooh, look at that. I love these so much. Super pigmented already. That's one swipe right there. I'm also really pale, so take that into consideration when you look at these because they're actually really pigmented. And that is with the second coat right over top, right there. Ice Me Out. and I don't know which one I'm going to wear yet, so I'm just going to swatch all three first and then I'll decide. So the next shade is Cheers Darling, and it's a little bit of a, it's like not such a white highlighter. Looks like that. And I am like wiping my finger off each time I swatch for you guys. So this is it on my finger. So right there is the shade Cheers Darling. It's also like on the back of my hand. I think, yeah, now you can kind of see it more. It wasn't focusing before, so I was like trying it on different parts of my hand. But that's another really pretty shade. Based on how it looks on my hand, it's like more close to my skin tone, so it doesn't like pop as much on me. But like it will probably show up on my face. It's just not showing up on my arm and wrist. So yeah. And the last shade that I have is Queen Drip, which is more of a rose gold highlight. So that is one coat of Queen Drip right there, and I'll put another one over top. So again, like I'm really pale, so it just doesn't show up on my arms. So that's why swatches aren't that great all the time, but you'll be able to still see one of them on my face. So that's Queen Drip right there. I definitely really like that one. Of all of them, I might mix two of them or all of them. I don't know. I'm really indecisive. So I'll start out by applying the shade Cheers Darling because I feel like that was the one that you could see the least on my hand. So might as well try it on so maybe you guys can see it that way. I'm just going to apply this. Ooh, it's so pretty. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Look at that. This is why I love Kylie's highlighters. Don't follow my swatches because you can't even see it compared to what it actually looks like. Ooh, that's so pretty. They're so pigmented. Like, love that highlighter. Maybe I'll put a different one on the other side of my face. So I will try out Queen Drip is what I'm going to use on the other side, which is more of the pinkier highlight. And apply this one. So this one's like not as bright on me, which is fine because again, these things kind of vary on your skin tone, but if you want a more neutral highlight and your skin tone is similar to mine, this would be great for you. Over top, I think I'm going to use Ice Me Out because that is the whiter highlight. I'm just going to use this on my nose and over my other highlighters. So, Ice Me Out. Oof, that's a good highlight. So, really love these highlighters. So I'm actually going to tap out some of this with my beauty blender just because it's like so bright. So those are the three highlighters. Really, really like them. They're super pigmented, as you guys can see. Obviously, how they kind of look on you varies on your skin tone. So it's kind of like hard to judge, I guess. But the formula of them is what I can tell you guys. So the formula is definitely really nice. Definitely really like them. They're really pigmented. Definitely recommend if you're looking for a great highlighter, or even if you don't need highlighter, you need them. Kylie's highlighters are definitely some of my favorites, so nothing has changed. If this is a new formula, I think it is, but definitely love this formula that she uses, and I love her loose powder highlights, so definitely get your hands on some of these if you haven't already. And now we can move on to lips because the face is done. So I got her one of her new lip liners and one of her new lipsticks. So the lip liner I got, super cute packaging, it says Kylie all across on the packaging, and I got the shade Souffle. I just wanted a nice neutral lip color because I love nude lip colors. Just wanted to get one of those, and I love Kylie's lip liners and lipsticks, so yeah. And then the lipstick shade that I got is Lovey Dovey, and it's a matte lipstick. I'm going to line my lips with the lip liner. Came out with 3 new lip liners and 3 new lipsticks. So just in case you guys are wondering. So this is the lip liner on me, and then I'm going with the matte lipstick, Lovey Dovey, which is a little bit lighter than this lip liner. And I'm just going to apply this. This is the lip color. Super pretty. I really like this one. This is the finished look with all of the new Kylie bronzers, blush, and highlights. So definitely really like them. Definitely recommend. I think she is doing a restock on February 13th, just so you guys know in case you're interested. She has bundles for her highlighters and her bronzers and blushes, and they're also sold individually. So I will leave a link to kyliecosmetics.com down below in the description in case you want to go check it out. If you guys are looking for new face products to try out, definitely check these out. This lipstick color was the lightest one that she had out of the 3 that she recently came out with. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe and right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So make sure you go follow me on there. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!